To avoid future payment blocks on Discord, it's important to follow certain guidelines and best practices. This guide will help you understand the steps to ensure smooth transactions. Step 1. Use a valid payment method. Ensure that you are using a payment method that is accepted by Discord. This includes credit cards, debit cards, or PayPal accounts that are in good standing and have sufficient funds. Step 2. Keep your account information updated. Regularly check and update your account information, including your payment details and billing address. This helps prevent discrepancies that could lead to payment issues. Step 3. Monitor your account activity. Keep an eye on your Discord account for any unusual activity. If you notice unauthorized transactions or changes, report them immediately to Discord support to avoid potential blocks. Step 4. Avoid chargebacks. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact support for issues. If you encounter any problems with payments, contact Discord support for assistance. They can help resolve issues before they escalate into payment blocks. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your payment transactions on Discord remain smooth and uninterrupted.